Wow, congratulations. What an atmosphere in that arena. In Switzerland, especially in Zug, hockey was played very early on. Just look at the equipment they used to wear. The times at the hockey game were always recorded precisely. Even the stages of the moon were recorded perfectly. Today, the Zeitraum is the landmark of the city of Zug. Now this is where the Zuger cherry pie was invented. A real specialty. Look at it. It's even shaped like a hockey puck. That just shows how established hockey is here in the town of Zug.
Look, this is where Zug plays hockey today. EV Zug is celebrating 50 years this year. I lived and played in Zug for 4 years. How about you, Garrett? First year, right?
Welcome to Switzerland, and welcome to Hockey Town Zug.
We're looking forward to exciting games in the Champions Hockey League.